Hey guys, it's Abby, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this yellow eye look, so if you want to see how I did it, then just keep on watching. Alright, hi guys. I'm just starting out by brushing my eyebrows, and then I'm going in with the Foolproof Brow Powder and just filling in any sparse areas. Next, I'm taking the Precisely My Brow Pencil by Benefit and just filling in and shaping the front of my eyebrows. This is just my standard brow routine, so there is nothing new here. Now I'm just going to set them with the 24-hour brow setter. After this, I'm going to prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Sin Eyeshadow Primer. Okay, for the eye look, I'm going in with the Colourpop Yes Please palette, and I'm just taking the shade Buttercake, which is a super shimmery gold shade, and I am just lining my crease with this shade. I'm not putting it too low to my lash line, and I'm also not going above my crease with this color. The next shade in the palette that I'm going to be using is called Mischief, and it is this deep, deep yellow shade, and I am just packing that super close to my lower lash line, and then after that I'm going to be using a NARS primer tube and just using that to shape the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to continue taking that color over the top of my crease, and then I'm going in with the Kat Von D tattoo liner and giving myself a quick wing. Alright, let's be honest, it actually wasn't that quick. Next, I'm using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Midnight Cowboy. I'm using the glitter and just putting it really, really tightly in my crease and not letting it fall anywhere else. Alright, I quickly did the other eye, and now I'm putting on my House of Lashes Iconic Light Eyelashes. And I'm really sorry for the ugly shots of me trying to apply these. I'm not sure why I included them, but here you go. Speaking of ugly shots, here is me tightlining my upper eyelid. Alright, now I'm going in with the Hourglass Primer and just applying that all over my face as my base. Okay, now I'm concealing using the IT Cosmetics Concealing Pot, and then I'm going to make a little foundation cocktail using the Becca Highlighting Drops, which I think they discontinued, the NARS Radiant Longwear Foundation, and the IT Cosmetics CC Cream, and I am just covering my face in that with a brush, as you can see, and then I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with my Real Techniques Beauty Blender. Okay, here are some more shots of me blending out my foundation because that's important. And then I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer and just concealing my dark spaces so that people think I sleep at night even though I don't. Once you conceal that, you're going to go ahead and blend that out with your beauty blender as well and just make sure there are no harsh lines. This Pat McGrath Sublime Perfection Powder is my new baby, and I am just using it to set under my eyes. And then I'm going in with the Laura Mercier powder and just using it to set my jawline and my chin, as that is the area of my face that tends to wear off first. Next, I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I am just contouring my nose with this. I use the top middle shade to contour down the center of my nose, and then I use the lightest shade on the bottom to go down the sides of my nose, and then here is a clip of me blending it out, because that's important. I use the same powder to go ahead and contour the sides of my cheekbone and then bronze up my forehead a little bit. And I probably should have included a shot of me blending this out, but I didn't. Okay, now I'm using the Becca X Chrissy Teigen blush, and I'm using that to make my cheeks look rosy. And then I'm going in with the highlighter in that same palette and just putting that over the tops of my cheeks. This is the Jouer highlighter in the shade Citrine, and it is one of my absolute favorite highlighters, and I am just using it to highlight my cheekbones and then also the very tip of my nose. Next, I'm using the Makeup Forever black eyeliner, and I'm putting that in my lower waterline, and then after this I'm going to go back into that same shade Mischief, and I'm putting it along my lower lash line. Doing this really enhances your lower lash line, and it also brings the top of the eye and the bottom of the eye together. Now I'm ruining my decor by grabbing my Tatcha setting spray and spraying my face. Then I'm using this MAC lip base to prime my lips and then lining them with this Becca lip liner. Also, I hate lip shots, so please ignore all of these. I'm going to be using the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie lipstick in the shade No Shade and then using the gloss over the top from the same collection. That is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you try it out, please tag me on Instagram because I would love to see it. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm also doing a giveaway on one of my recent videos, so if you want to enter that, I'll put a card for it right here, and I will also link it below. As for right now though, that is it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey, just be careful when you open the door.
No. Here, I'll move it back. The last of it. I do some lipstick.
I gotta do lipstick. Can I have like half of it? I don't want the whole thing.
I'll give you a bigger half.
Thanks.
Well, nice.
Thank you.
I like it.
Thank you.
I have to set up.
Thank you. It's my new way to film.
Yeah, that's really cool. I like it. Love you.
Love you. Thanks for the brownie.
Welcome.
I guess this is a mukbang now.